This is a territorial dispute between two thrushes. They were fighting a moment ago. They must be on the boundaries of their territories. Yeah, look at this, they're going to fight. They're keeping an eye on me, that's why they're not fighting now. They've resolved their dispute. And when you see those kind of fights, you know it's that time of year. It's breeding season. Well, this is a brackish ditch and I can't see anything underwater at all, so there's no sign of frog spawn. But a beautiful shimmering effect there on the bank along the tree roots. And it seems to be sycamore tree. There aren't so many geese around here at the moment, but these are widgeon, these are duck. But they come in huge numbers in the winter time when the bogs flood. Actually, I think there's one goose in there. Oh no, 3 goose, I think, at the far end. I have to check that again. It's a shoveler at the front, and then behind there's a widgeon. Actually, there's a shoveler going out. Yeah, lovely. And I'm looking through the reeds, which is why it's a little difficult, but they're beautiful. This is something beautiful. It's gorse, or whin, or furs if you prefer. And it's started to bloom for the spring. I'm not sure if it has the scent yet, because there's a scent in late summer when it gets warmer. It's the scent of vanilla which comes off the flowers. It's really beautiful. Well, it's lovely to see anyway. Whether it has the scent or not, you can tell by the flowers it's actually related to the peas. It's in the pea family, and it actually has pods that are kind of like peas. Pea pods, but they're black and the seeds are kind of hard. They crackle in the summer. Here you can see the irises, the yellow flag coming up. Beautiful irises, but they live in the water. The roots are really deep in the mud. I think they're about 1 meter down or more. Nearly impossible to dig them up. But they're lovely to see coming out, rising up out of the water. And they also give stability to the soil and the mud of the bog. So this is the kind of place where you might find frog spawn. You might find frog spawn at the shallows in this kind of place. But of course, frogs will usually try and pick a pool that won't dry up. One of the interesting things here is that I have a nice bridge over the water. But where the reeds are, there's almost certainly no frog spawn. The frogs pick places where their tadpoles can find food. These places just aren't rich enough. Well, no luck. No frog spawn yet. I've had a pretty good look around. But I have a feeling I might find it somewhere else further inland because we're very close to the sea. Maybe too close, and it's a very open area, maybe too open. So there are other ponds to check. So maybe just have a look at the birds in the meantime. Over here are the feeders. That's a dunnock, and that's a greenfinch, male greenfinch, I think. Yeah, male. More greenfinches, that's good. The population was nearly wiped out a few years ago. Goldfinch. The red face on the goldfinch. There's an American goldfinch as well, but it's very different. It's actually all yellow. Ours just has a golden stripe there. Another goldfinch. Beautiful. So greenfinches and goldfinches and house sparrows. That's nice. And chaffinches in there as well. Lots of the red ones are chaffinches with the blue heads. And the females are kind of the same but more grey. There's a dunnock. It used to be called a hedge sparrow, but it's not actually a sparrow. Oh yeah, loads of them. Well, that's a nice male going into his breeding plumage. Look at that, really bright. And tonight we have the full moon for the 6th of February, or the 5th of February. It looks really spectacular as the sun has set and the darkness comes in. A plane just flew across the moon, wow. It is amazing.